here we go. The day kicks off with Mr. Hoffpowers, one of the court's busiest attorneys. You'll notice right away, these morning sessions move fast. Think of it as the court's version of speed dating, but for justice.
This is Mr. Hoffpowers. Good morning, ma'am. You're here to interpret. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that you will truthfully and accurately translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English? Thank you. And what is your name for the record? Maria Morel?
Maria Morel.
Thank you. And sir, are you Juan Lopez?
Yes.
And Mr. Lopez's case is set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. What is the announcement?
What day is that, Monday? Next week? That will be the 20th.
Ah, the classic scheduling tango. When two judges issue conflicting orders, it's like a legal tug-of-war, and the attorneys are caught in the middle. Notice how calm everyone stays, though. That's years of courtroom juggling right there.
I think I have a protective order. I'm supposed to be in Hardin County trying that murder case. Thomas issued a protective order.
Can you get a...
Also have a protective order from Judge Parker.
I see, that's the one that I have a copy
He's
of.
deferred to Thomas.
Okay.
So I have Thomas's too, which I can email to you.
Okay, and I had heard, y'all have a pretrial in Judge Thomas's tomorrow. Does Mr. Hopper?
He's ready on his.
I'm ready on this one.
So do this, if you will, please, tomorrow after that pretrial. If you'll contact the court,
Yes,
immediately let us know if something happens and that case is going to go away. Then I'm going to number this case.
It may get reset, but I don't think it's going to go away.
Well, that means I just mean go
Oh,
away for next
trial.
week.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it does, then I'm going to number the case.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm ready, announcing ready on this, but for that protection.
And do you have, do you intend to have your own interpreter for trial?
Well, I'll need an interpreter.
This part might seem small, but it's crucial. The interpreter ensures the defendant fully understands every word, because in criminal law, misunderstanding a single sentence can literally change someone's life. It's not just translation, it's justice in two languages.
Is that Erica or whoever?
You need to let the coordinator know that as well tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow.
Yes. All right. And and you'll have to get with Mr. Hoffpower, make sure if he needs anybody. But I will number the cases tomorrow. Let me know, please, as soon as you're done with that pretrial.
Okay, you can tell him back. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Y'all can go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Mr. Lewis, you've got Sarah Henderson.
Yeah, that's
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. This is Mr. Hoffpowers.
This is also Mr. Hoffpowers. Good morning, ma'am. You're Sarah Henderson.
Good morning, yes, ma'am.
And in 24 DCCR 0760, Ms. Henderson is charged with credit or debit card abuse. Mr. Lewis.
Judge, there's some things for us with the restitution I wanted to talk to Mr. Hoffpowers about. I just haven't had a chance to. I don't think we'll need long as far as trying to, but I think that'll get it resolved.
All right, so I'm going to do just a normal reset. He'll be in trial, I know, this week, so make sure when he's not, you can get in touch with him. Ms. Henderson, stay in touch with Mr. Lewis so that as soon as he does discuss everything with Mr. Hoffpower, y'all can go over that, and we'll get an announcement at the next court date.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you.
And you have Justin Wallace.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also Mr. Hoffpowers. Good morning, sir. You're Justin Wallace. And Mr. Wallace is...
Here comes Sarah Henderson, facing a charge of debit card abuse. Sounds minor, right? But this can carry serious penalties if tied to identity theft or fraud. Watch how the judge emphasizes restitution. Paying back the money is often the key to leniency in financial crimes.
This case is set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. And what is the announcement?
We're ready, Judge.
I know that Mr. Hoffpauer told me he's ready on all his trial cases.
All right. And so has there been any change with regard to that CAPA 15 offer?
No, ma'am.
So I want to make sure you understand, Mr. Wallace, I will number the cases tomorrow after docket. I will not accept plea agreements after then. So if something changes, get with Mr. Lewis. Otherwise, be plan to be here next Monday afternoon. All right? All right, thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you.
Trial docket for next week, Kel. Mr. Burbank on Jermaine Young. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
So we got all kinds of dismissals up here today. Said that in unison. But those aren't on the docket, are they? These are other.
Some are, most are not.
Okay. Absolutely, I'm not complaining.
I know you're not.
Good morning, you're Jermaine Young. And in cause number 24, DCCR.
Now, the tone shifts. This is one of the heaviest charges you'll ever hear. Aggravated sexual assault of a child. Notice how everyone's pace slows and language becomes more careful. Even mentioning missing DNA evidence changes everything. One test result can make or break this case.
0916, Mr. Young is charged with aggravated assault, aggravated sexual assault of a child. And what is the announcement?
Last time I was here, we were waiting for DNA. The state was going to look into it.
It looks like Mr. Hoffmeyer did, Your Honor. He had a conversation with the detective, Ryan Flanagan from Belmont Police Department, who indicated that it looked like a same kit containing the swabs that we would have been then waiting on the DNA from. It was not submitted, and we would just ask for a short reset just to maybe discuss the offer in light of that and see if we
Okay.
can't get something worked out before putting it on the trial.
Okay, this will be the last reset. Make sure Mr. Hoffpower knows that so he can get with Mr. Burbank, stay in touch with Mr. Burbank so you guys can visit before the next court date and we'll get an announcement at that time.
Thank you. May I
Yes.
be excused?
Yes. Thanks. Mr. Crenshaw, you have Brandon Farney.
Evading arrest in a vehicle. It's one of those charges that sounds like an action movie scene, but rarely ends that way. The defense hopes to downgrade it to a misdemeanor. This is a perfect example of how lawyers negotiate down a case before it ever sees a jury.
Good morning, you're Brandon Farney.
Yes, ma'am.
And in cause number 25, DCCR 0765, Mr. Farney is charged with evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, and what is the announcement?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is our very first setting. The state is needing me to get them some documentation, and I think that this case will hopefully be resolved across the whole misdemeanor court. If we could please come back for a standard reset, I think we should have it done next time.
That should be no problem, Judge. I think it will be disposed of down the hall with
Okay.
a forfeiture of the weapon that was involved. I just need some documentation with respect to his schooling and employment to
Okay.
include it to the file.
All right, we'll just do a normal reset. Make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Crenshaw so y'all can get anything taken care of prior to your next court date.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're free to go.
I'll be in touch. Actually, we gotta go check in this. I'll see you.
And then Corey Richardson, Mr. Crenshaw. Good morning. Are you Corey Richardson?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 0249. Mr. Richardson is charged with solicitation of prostitution, and what is the announcement?
Judge, this is one where I'm still trying to get the DA's office to either do a pretrial diversion or some type of a misdemeanor reduction. We're just not there yet. Kobe's not obviously getting ready for trial, but I think we are getting close. If we can come back for another reset, that's my goal here due to this employment situation.
So it looks like you were hired back in February. This will be the final reset on this case. Make sure you get with Mr. Hoffpower so that we can get an announcement one way or the other before that next court date.
Understood.
All right, thank you. Stay in touch with Mr. Crenshaw so that you can visit with him, and we'll see where your case is going at the next court date. Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, Galmore, you said Mr. Gertz will be 10. There he is. Mr. Galmore on Carlos Betancourt. Good morning. Good morning, sir. You're Carlos Betancourt. And in cause number 25, DCCR 0798, Mr. Betancourt is charged with evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. And what is the announcement?
Judge, we're asking for another announcement day. We have not had opportunity to review the video.